touch it with my hands.
Do you want me to take your gloves? Okay.
That cold looks better.
Are you going to go talk to the cows? Go talk to the cow.
Cows.
That's not a cow, that's a horse. There's the cows over there. What are you going to tell them, Sophia?
Cow? Horsey, what I got? The oatmeal. Cow? You? He's scared. I don't hurt you. It just walks. See?
Tell them, don't be shy.
Don't be shy. It just walks. Them old wax.